quick reading for March the 13th to March the 14th, a Capricorn. Your cards are the Ten of Swords, the Ace of Wands, and the Eight of Pentacles. Siguro si person mismo yung nakipag-break, no, sa atin. Our person probably went out of their way, nagliwaliw, no? Kinalimutan ka. But then again with the Page of Wands, parang ngayon nagiging curious siya what is happening in your life right now. I think that your person here had a realization of parang may kate sa kamay niya, no, na hindi naman yung klepto. May kate sa kamay niya na I want to talk to you and probably work things out with you again with the Eight of Pentacles. Parang feeling niya, pwede pa isalba yung relationship. Parang pwede pang ayusin yung relationship. I feel like with the Eight of Pentacles, si person mismo, no, yung gagawa ng action para at least suyuin ka at parang um, i-pursue, no, itong relationship ninyo at parang sasabihin, sige na, pumayag ka na, no? So this is your quick reading for March the 13th to 14th, a Capricorn.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.